Welcome friends, I am Ramesh Rana, a teacher teaching mathematics for the last 41 years. Now I am here to guide parents to enable them to help their visually impaired children in learning mathematics through tailor frame. Just by learning this simple tactile system, you can teach whole of school level arithmetic and algebra as much as you know to your visually impaired child. I welcome you to my class once again for the good cause. Welcome, friends. In this class, performing subtraction of numbers on Taylor frame will be discussed. All types of numbers will be covered. Please like and subscribe the channel. Subtraction of integers. Write the first integer. Now write the subtraction sign and the second integer below the first integer, such that the unit digit of second integer is below the unit digit of first integer. Leave a line space and write the difference. For example, 349 minus 62 is 287. Now, if we have to do the same thing on Taylor frame, first you should know subtraction sign. Now write 3, 4, 9. Note down the orientation of 9 here. 9. This is very important because it gets mixed with something else. Okay. Now after this write negative sign 6, 2. That means minus 62. Now is the point to be noted. When we have subtracted, look at the calculations done on the left hand side. While subtracting, we put a line, but on solving on Taylor frame, we don't put a line. We leave a line space. We leave all the holes of the row below it, and then we write 287 again, such that the unit digit is under the unit digit, and so on. So this way you can perform subtraction of integers on Taylor frame. Subtraction of decimal numbers. So write the first number in a row with decimal at proper place. Write the second number in the row below it such that decimal is under decimal and subtract. For example, 34.9 minus 6.2 is solved as 34.9 minus 6.2. See, decimal is under decimal. Subtract to get 28.7. We will follow the same procedure on Taylor frame, except that the symbols will change. Symbol for decimal is this. Now look at this symbol for decimal. Here, two dots are downwards, okay? Because the dot thing can be confusing at certain places. So note down the symbol carefully for decimal. And after that, we are going to perform the subtraction. Now write first number 34.9. Again see, decimal symbol and 9. This is decimal symbol and this is 9. They are very much alike, so be careful. Okay, minus negative sign, and 6.2. We have three different symbols. So one is decimal, one is 9, one is minus. Okay, they look alike. Be careful. Okay, next 2 8, that is 28.7. See the difference. In this we had a line. This line was there, but here on subtraction you find that there is no line over here. What we have done, we have done is left a line space in between the two. You will find the same thing in many questions, in many calculations, that when we have to write something equal to below the line, we leave a line space. We were calculating after subtraction and we were finding how much this will be equal to after subtraction. Okay, so after subtraction we are presenting it like this. So we have left a row, right? Subtraction of proper fractions. Write both fractions in the same set of rows with a negative sign in between, leaving no space on any side of this negative sign. Note carefully the negative sign also. Make their denominators equal. This is equal to the LCM of both the denominators. Subtract the numerator of second from the numerator of the first and get the resultant fraction. For example, 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4 into 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 5 into 3 upon 4. Because LCM is 20, therefore we are making LCM of denominator of each equal to 20. This is further equal to 8 upon 20 minus 15 upon 20. Then 8 minus 15 is negative 7. So it is negative 7 upon 20. Now let us come to the Taylor frame. 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4 into 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 5 into 3 upon 4. Further, 8 upon 20 is minus 15 upon 20 is equal to negative 7 upon 20. Note here that the line between the fractions, okay, so for example, line between 2 upon 5 is not replaced by an empty row, which we are doing in addition, in multiplication, etc. This line, be careful, this line is not replaced by empty row in a fraction. Okay. Subtraction of mixed fractions. Once you know the subtraction of proper fractions, it is very easy to understand. To subtract improper fraction, First, change them to proper fractions and then follow the same steps as in proper fractions. For example, 3 2 upon 5 minus 2 3 upon 4 is equal to 17 upon 5 minus 11 upon 4. This is the only different step. You will realize that this step, take care, this step is the only different step. What we have done, changed mixed fractions to proper fractions. Okay. Now this is further equal to 4 upon 4 into 17 upon 5 minus 5 upon 5 into 11 upon 4. As discussed earlier, it is to make their denominators equal to the LCM. Go ahead. It is 68 upon 20 minus 55 upon 20, which is equal to 13 upon 20. Now come to the Taylor frame. 3 2 upon 5 minus 2 3 upon 4. Note the space between 3 and 2 upon 5. There is one empty space between the two. Okay, this is how we represent mixed fractions. Then this is further equal to 4 upon 4 into 17 upon 5 minus 5 upon 5 into 11 upon 4, which is further equal to 68 upon 20 minus 55 upon 20. On subtracting, we get this is equal to 13 upon 20. I always do the calculations on the left hand side. I know it is very clear to you, you have already done it many times, but this calculation is given side by side just to make you understand what are the changes between this and the Taylor frame. So this will help you in forming a clear concept. Thank you. Thanks for watching.